Hi everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to sell in Canva. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to make sure that you have downloaded and installed this Canva account application, or you can just simply go to their site and then create an account. Now, if you have an account, then you can just simply log in. Now, first and foremost, what is Canva? Okay, so with the help of expertly created templates, you can quickly and effortlessly create invites, brochures, lesson plans, Zoom backgrounds, and more using the free visual design site Canva. It's for free. Okay, take note of that. Using a drag and drop interface, you can even upload your own photographs and apply them to Canva's layouts. It's like having a free version of Photoshop that doesn't require in-depth understanding of photo editing. Okay, so even if you don't have history about editing, it's very easy for you to know and use this Canva application or tool. Here is all the information we require about using Canva. Canva offers tens of thousands of no-code, expertly crafted templates that are easily editable using a drag and drop user interface. Okay, so to use Canva, just upload your photographs, drag them into template of your choice, and download the document to your computer. So for plans and pricing, we have here free. Okay, so you can use some templates for free and features for free, but of course, not all. Okay, so this has limitations. But if you want to upgrade your Canva, all you have to do is to click Canva Pro. And as you can see, the amount or how much does it cost to upgrade Canva Pro to Canva Pro. Okay, so now that you know the limitations and the advantages of upgrading to Canva Pro, you can now use your Canva. Now let's go to finding inspiration and finding reasons why you use Canva for selling or you use Canva for editing and sell something to sites like Etsy and Shopify. Okay, so there are tons of sites where you can, sell your items, your templates, and one of this is, of course, Etsy. Okay, so as you can see here, there are tons of people uh they are offering or they are selling cards like this. They're offering services like editing, and they also sell some templates here and business cards, something like that. So all you have to do is to select the best or you think a business card sample that you can probably use as inspiration to create one. You don't really need to copy, you don't need to copy that. Just an inspiration, an idea, okay, on how are you going to create or make a template like this. Okay, so as you can see, this one is like a business card. Okay, and actually you can do this thing using Canva tool. So what you're going to do now is to go back to your Canva and then start creating a design. So let's start with customizing signs. So for width, we have here 5.5. For height, we have here 4.25. And this one here, it should be N. And then after that, you just have to click Create New Design. Then here it is. So as you can see, this is a blank page here. Okay, so full blank page. So to start, okay, so you can simply drag any templates here, or you just have to go first to text, okay? So as you can see, these are the designs and templates. And let me remind you again that you have to use the template or design without this crown icon here. So let's start with text. So yes, you can select any of the text below, okay? But like what I have mentioned earlier, no need to add this text here with crown symbol because the tendency is that if you're going to add this, the customers should also pay the same thing or should purchase this because it's not for free. So make sure that the text here that you're going to use is under free version of Canva. Okay, so but if you want to, I mean, you can try this Canva Pro, but I'm not sure if your customers can avail this for free. Okay, so to make everything sure or okay, then just pick something that is for free, which is this one. Add a heading. So drop here to, I mean, you should have to drop this to your blank page. Okay, so let's just say that you wanted to create a business card or a business template for your customers for like you want to say thank you for choosing your store. So I have a sample here, a sample text here. Thank you so much for shopping with us. And the good thing about Canva is that you can edit everything here when it comes to font size, spacing. Okay, so everything is here. So as you can see, this is your inspiration. This is an idea. You don't need to copy that one. We will not do the same thing. I'm not really sure if I can um do the design. So I will just do the best I can. Okay. So now go to your element, go to brush stroke, go to graphics, and then here you can simply choose any of the brush stroke here. Remember that you can change the color later. Okay, so just choose whatever brush stroke that you like. For example, this one here. And then you can resize and edit this one. Okay, adjust. So this is what it looks like. And you can change the color. Go to the side here and then look for the best color for your output or for your sample template. Okay. Also, this one, you can change the color, you can change the font. So you just have to go to this part here, effects, if you want to add some effects, if you want to increase intensity, if you want to add some background, or if you want to put some outline, you just have to go to effects, okay? Change colors and so on. Okay, so everything is up to you. So again, take your time. You can change the colors, the font. Okay, you can add some effects. You can even change the position. You can even change the brush stroke if you want. Okay, so you just have to pick the best for you. Okay, so once you're okay with this, actually you can just also edit it later if you want. Now let's go to add a subheading here. Let's just say you wanted to add something like we truly appreciate your support. Okay, so you can put it right here, but let me, okay, adjust it like smaller than the text above. So again, feel free to change the font style rather, font size. You can even change the color of your text here. You can change the position. Okay, so always pick what's the best. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so now that you have this both, we can now proceed to adding logo to your template, to your business card. What you're going to do is to simply go to elements and then search for a circle. Go to frames, and then what you're going to do is to simply drag this circle to here. Okay, so adjust. Okay, I think this one is okay now. And then after that, go back and then go to graphics again or to shapes and then drag the circle shape. Okay, but this time with color. Okay, so let me go back and look for the shape. Okay, this one, drag it here. Now you have to make sure that they have the same size or it fits to your frame. Okay, and then after that, so do adjust here. Okay, and then after that, what you're going to do is to simply change the color if you want. Okay, so you can tap this one and then change the color to this or to this one or go back to blue. Everything is up to you. Okay, and then once you have changed or set the color for your logo, what you're going to do is to go to text and then tap add a heading again. And then this time you have to change it to your logo here. Okay, so that your customer can put their logo here inside the circle. Okay, so once done, you can just simply drag this text inside this circle here. Okay, now, yes, you can change the font style, you can change the color, you can change font size. Okay, you can even add other features and elements here if you want. But to make it simple, you can just simply do like this. Okay, if you want to change spacing, letter spacing, and line spacing, you just have to go and tap that icon there. Okay, and then you can change color now. Now, once done with this and you're okay with this, then all you have to do is to simply proceed to adding more information about your company. Okay, so you can go to text and then you can simply look for that I saw it earlier. I mean, you can add your email address, your phone number, this one. Okay, so simply drag this to the blank page and then you can edit here your phone number, your email address, your site. Okay, so that's what it looks like. But in case you don't want to put this and you want to change it into adding your Instagram account, your Facebook, your Twitter, what else? What or whatever social media account you have, yes, it's possible. Okay, so what you're going to do is to simply go to elements and then search that social media platform icon. Let's just say Instagram icon. Okay. Oh, so if you can see it right here, so maybe this is not available for free version of Canva. But don't worry, you can easily find Instagram icon to any of the websites here in internet. Okay, search and then download and then go back to your Canva and upload it. So yes, so I downloaded Instagram icon, Facebook icon, Twitter icon, and I just simply drag this icons, okay, or images here. Okay, change the position and the sizes. Okay, and then Twitter, drag it right here. Okay, and then after that, what you're going to do is you can simply change the color if you want. Okay, so what you're going to do if you want to change the color, you just have to tap the image or the icon and go to edit photo and then there go to effects, scroll down, then you can see there different colors for your, I mean filters for your icon for images. Okay, you just have to tap one or select one. For example, this one, go to view all and then pick the color that you want. For example, for Instagram, I can't find this red color here, so I can also change it to red. So it's okay. It's okay with this color. So for Facebook, you can also change this color to this one. For Twitter, just go to filters, view all, and then change this to this. So now let's go to adding text and boxes, or let's just say URL for this social media platform that we have added. To do that, you just have to simply go to text, okay, and then add some, like for example, you can choose add a heading or subheading there. Now you don't need to do it all over again. You just have to simply click the plus icon to duplicate it. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, so to group this, you just have to simply select all and then click groups. Okay, this is what it looks like. Now you can drag it right here. You can adjust position if you want. You can you can simply delete that one I have created earlier if you think that it's not really necessary. Now this time, let's just add a line to simply separate this your logo and the information of your company. So to add some lines, you just have to go to lines, elements, search for lines, and then you can change the, I mean, the type of line that you want. You can adjust, okay, something like this. If you want it to be a little bit thinner, you can also change that. Okay. And then here after that, you can also add some box or a small square below, like other designs. I mean, other samples or templates, they have this kind of thing. Okay, so you can also um, add this one here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can do that to all of the borders of the square or template if you want, but for me, I just have to put it this way. And then go to share, then click download. Now, what you're going to do here is to simply, you can simply sell this template directly, but let's just make a PDF first, okay? So create a PDF, and then if people saw this PDF, all you have to do is simply attach the URL here. And then if they're going to click that URL, it will take them directly to your store, and there they can see this sample of business card, and then what they're going to do is to click that in order for them to purchase and then download it for free. Then there they can edit everything here. They can edit this logo, they can add or edit the URL of your Instagram, of your Facebook, something like that, and also your Twitter, and they can change everything here. Okay, this is just a template. So what you're going to do is to create something like PDF and do something like this, and then here you just have to the URL or the link of your store. Okay, so if clicking this will take them to your Etsy store, to your Shopify store, or everything is up to you. And then, yes, that's how easy it is to create template or business card designs using Canva and sell it somewhere. Okay, anywhere you wish. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.